Hi there everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about my latest project Arduino Console. It's basically about 4 games and 2 apps on a UI and a screensaver, and the hardware here consists of a screen. It's a 16 by 2 LCD Keypad Shield screen, and the main chip or the brain for this project, the Arduino Uno. Here in the footage, you will see me trying the first game, which is Break the Bricks game. The idea is very basic and obvious, and it's just a battle with up and down controls and bricks, of course. For the second choice, which is an app called Decision Compass, it's just like the luck crystal. It tells you whether to do something, think about it, or just don't. Responses are like yes, maybe, or no, and I find it really cool to use. Here it says, by the power invested in me, I say yes. For the third choice or the second game, which is a helicopter game, it got those controls of up and down buttons to dodge the obstacles, and it's really challenging. For the fourth choice here in the app, how many days until? And as the name says, just count the days between 2 intervals based on the current and desired date. Here I am adjusting the current date to test it. For the fifth choice or the third game, Snake, which is very old and popular game with 4 different difficulties to play with. You here use the up, down, left, and right buttons to get to the food. And speaking of points, the body of the snake is stored as linked list, and that eases the data storing and allows the self collision feature to happen. And it displays the score on the right or left based on the side you lost on. For the final choice and fourth game, here is the Google Chrome's popular Dino game, which consists of 2 cell T-Rex inspired from the Crea Electronics design, which mimics the real Chrome T-Rex. The rest on the screen are cactus on the ground, birds in the sky, and the score on the upper right side of the screen. The score controls the difficulty and the speed of the game, and as you see, the birds are displayed as a score increment with, of course, a fixed game over and score screen. And now I will use this time to talk about the boring technical stuff. First, the games are developed one by one, and I had a problem to get them all on one plate without having an extra space, like an SD card or so. So I changed the game's files and code to make them be on one file. This made me able to make a UI which is basically just a list and a screensaver which will appear after 30 seconds of idle. Those changes made the second version of the project, which reduced the flash or program storage from 98% to 57%, and the SRAM or global variables to 80%. And for the rest of the technical stuff and code, you can check the GitHub repository and here the idle screensaver. And that's it for this project. Thanks for watching.